Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious egg-free pancakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 1/4 cups of milk or water and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. These simple components are all you need for a fantastic breakfast. Now let's create the perfect batter. In a large bowl, thoroughly whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, combine your milk and melted butter or oil. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so a few small lumps are perfectly acceptable for a tender result. It's time to cook these delightful pancakes. Heat your griddle or non-stick pan over medium-low heat. A good test is to sprinkle a few drops of water. They should sizzle and evaporate. Lightly grease the surface with a pat of butter or a little oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake, leaving some space between them. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Finally, the best part, serving your delicious egg-free pancakes. Stack them high and serve immediately with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. For an extra flavor boost, try adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon to your dry ingredients. You can also experiment with different flours, like whole wheat, for a slightly different texture and nutritional profile. Enjoy your homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.